Hello mate, so this is the condition of the car. Absolutely perfect this time. The painter has gone all out this time, spent a good amount of time on it, but the sides and the paintwork of the car is just out of this world. Really is spot on. Take it up to the roof. So, this is just freshly painted today. What they got to do is just denib any little lumps that are in the paintwork. As you can see, the paintwork itself is perfectly even, flat. You can see my reflection in it. I'm ever so happy this time round. The car's going to look absolutely pucker. So I'll let you have a little look at the bodywork, the other body panels. Spot on.
I did your wings, I long blocked all your wings again.
Lovely. It was well worth just going over them few areas again. Honestly, you know, I know it's a pain in the ass, but that made such the difference with this car being dead straight now. So yeah, that's a video update of Johnny Wilson's 325 Sport in Delton Grey, full bodywork repainted, full underside painted, and straight as the day it left the factory. So the amount of effort and labour which has been put into this car to make this perfect now is unreal, but this will be perfect once it's all fully assembled. And as you can see, ends is a white one in the background. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video.